Enchanting words, unlocking their magic in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language, enchanting words. These are words that captivate, charm, and mesmerize listeners. They are not just vocabulary. They are the keys to effective and powerful communication. So, let's dive in and uncover the magic behind enchanting words. Enchanting words are more than just beautiful or fancy words. They are words that hold power to evoke emotions, create vivid images, and connect deeply with the audience. Examples include serenity, luminous, tranquility, and euphoria. These words are not just understood, they are felt. They have the ability to transport listeners to different emotional states or mental images. Using enchanting words can significantly enhance your communication skills. They are particularly effective in storytelling, persuasive speaking, and creative writing. When used aptly, these words can make your speech more engaging, your narrative more compelling, and your writing more vivid. They help in painting a picture with words, making your communication memorable. To use enchanting words effectively. 1. Know your audience. Tailor your language to suit their interests and understanding. 2. Context is key. Use enchanting words appropriately to enhance your message, not overshadow it. 3. Practice moderation. Overuse can make your communication sound artificial. 4. Blend with storytelling. Incorporate them in stories or examples for greater impact. Let's look at some examples. In storytelling, the forest was luminous under the moonlight. Each leaf seemed to whisper tales of ancient magic. In persuasive speech, adopting a sustainable lifestyle can lead us to a harmonious and serene future. In creative writing, her laughter was euphoric, filling the room with an infectious joy that was almost tangible. To build your collection of enchanting words, read widely. Literature, poetry, and quality prose are great sources. Keep a vocabulary journal, note down new words and their meanings. Practice. Try using new words in your daily conversations or writing. Enchanting words are a powerful tool in the English language. They add color, emotion, and depth to our communication. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the beauty and effectiveness of these words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be weaving magic with your words too. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.